Yo, bring you guys a freestyle. Is that cool? All right. We just gotta wait about 20-15 seconds until the beat actually kicks in. So, just gotta wait for the right moment. So I say about right now is 7-8 seconds. All right. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. I'm sitting here feeling blue, but to you it's a mask. Yeah, my nigga fast. I mean Doritos, maybe Fritos. I don't know. I'm just trying to make a living, maybe millin'. Yeah, your girl think I'm bad as fuck, and I ain't have to say shit. Yeah, rock the luminaries. I eat yo bitch like shrimp fried rice. Damn, she tastes like blueberries. Never mind about that. This hamster ass bitch thinks he's cool. Well, he's still lucky he's still in school. Yeah, I'm the real deal. Just sitting here waiting for my record deal. Yeah, got the #1 chicks cause I got the best appeal. Yeah, Man, I fucked up a couple times there. Sorry about that. It's a freestyle, just go out. Just go out. Ah! Alright, let's kick it in. Yo. Fuck you and your expedition. You think your J's are mid-condition? I'll crush you and run you over like a train station. So don't get in my way, cause you know what the bitches say. Nah, JK, I barely know what the bitches say. No. Alright, let's go. Yo. Got my Chicago Bulls snapback on, cause I'm ready to attack. Fuck, not fact, wait, fact. Sneaking that shit with my backpack. Everybody take cover, a woman driver, now I'm dead. Well, that's what Dora said. Yo, I'm up in the clouds. It feels like I'm getting stopped by this guy with a big beard. Yeah, it's pretty bright, and at any time I can jump on the plane flight until I fell off into hell. Yeah, it's pretty scary. There's no dinner bell, just 2 demons always reaming at me. Yeah, man, it's hotter than Satan's balls down here. Yeah, I don't even know what I'm talking about. See? Alright, peace. Putting this up on SoundCloud. Follow me. Favorite this too. Peace.